Although it made its debut in 1997, the black, cool gray, white and bright Mandarin color scheme is regarded by many as one of the original Nike Air Max 95 outfits because it was part of the brand's initial push of the model. The citrussy flavor is anticipated to return with the majority of the features that were introduced more than 25 years ago, just like the previously mentioned neon yellow outfit. The current Air Max unit is smaller than what was found on Sergio Lozano's original design, but it is more durable than what consumers have become used to over the past 20 years. As most sneakerheads have come to connect the mid-1990s style with a grayscale gradient across its nature-inspired upper, the Air Max 95 Bright Mandarin was last seen in 2011. However, branding, lacing loops, and the visible Nike Air units all feature colorful flair that is a blend of modern and vintage. Friday, June 6 is anticipated to see a release on Nike.com, JD Sports, and a few more retailers. View the Bright Mandarin AM95 in detail.